Remember this network's reality series, My Restaurant Rules? It gave contestants in each capital city a chance to kickstart their dreams by setting up and running their own restaurant. 4 years on, and one of the contestants has a problem, claiming his ideas, even his restaurant's name, have been stolen.
I went on My Restaurant Rules with Mylk, my little kitchen. I was led to believe that once you register the trademark, it's your name. Nobody can take it off you.
What's in a name? Simon Gregalius says in the restaurant game, it means everything.
My name is what I do. It's my business.
Simon and his partner at the time, Natalie, may seem familiar. They appeared on reality show My Restaurant Rules.
Natalie, did you bring the truffled honey?
No, I forgot it actually.
He was over the top.
Goodbye, everybody. I like the cubes.
Egotistical.
I love the world. Does the world love me? Yes, yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yeah!
And explosive.
Listen, the system that you've got isn't working, okay?
He now wants to finally set up his own restaurant using the name he says he owns. But he's found someone he says is a fan of the show has cashed in first.
I can't afford to have somebody open up a restaurant using my brand.
I was at your restaurant and got your card.
Yes.
And I couldn't help but notice that it was quite similar to that one.
Belinda O'Brien is the woman Simon accuses of stealing his restaurant's name and identity. This is her version of Mylk on the Gold Coast. This is his version in Brisbane for My Restaurant Rules 4 years ago. They're not like chalk and cheese. They're like, well, milk and milk. That's Mylk, spelt with a Y.
Spelling milk with a Y?
Yes, we called it Mylk for the milk bar on the corner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you used
But
the Y because
look,
of...
I've already spoken to them about it. I can't say anything because I've got an application in.
I came down to the Gold Coast hoping to open up a business, Mylk My Little Kitchen, and it's already there.
The use of the word milk, in my opinion, is deceptively similar to what is registered because the differences are almost insignificant. They are the font, the way the Y and the K are represented, and the L is represented.
Trademark law expert Yves Hazan says it goes beyond the name. The websites, the colour schemes, the fit-outs and overall look of the two restaurants are striking in their similarity.
I'd have no difficulty asserting that there was a trademark infringement by the use of the trademark on the left.
When I first found out about someone using my name, I went and called her, tried to be very diplomatic. Using my name, I'd like you to cease using that. She said, go see my lawyer. I
told him that I can't say anything because I've got an application in IPS Australia at the moment.
And what does that involve?
It means I'm applying for a trademark myself.
Can you apply for a trademark if someone else has already done it?
Of course I can.
In actual fact, she has applied once already and was knocked back. In the meantime, the trademark Simon has for the name can be protected.
Well, the best outcome he can hope for is to protect the integrity of his trademark, and the way he does that is to stop people from using that trademark or a similar trademark, and he does that through the Federal Court of Australia.
I've already spent a fortune on lawyers' fees. At the moment, the lawyers are writing letters, their lawyers are writing letters.
Belinda claims it's all an unfortunate coincidence, and she's not changing names.
You had no idea that someone else had trademarked that?
Absolutely not.
Really?
No, well, he got kicked off the show 4 years ago.
The similarity, though, is
I know, but
striking,
you know what I mean?
don't you think?
He got kicked off and hasn't opened up one since. How was I supposed to know?
He says she's a fan of My Restaurant Rules. She says she never saw the program.
Just so I'm clear, you never saw My Restaurant Rules?
No, I didn't actually, no.
You didn't see it at all?
No, I didn't.
And then you've come up with Mylk?
Yeah.
That seems extraordinary.
It does, doesn't it?
For Simon, his dream of owning a restaurant called Mylk is turning very sour indeed.
With the amount of money I've spent on lawyers, I could open my own restaurant. But I can't because I can't use my name, Mylk My Little Kitchen.